Today I have for you 5 creative ways how to bring plants and natural elements to your home. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm an architecture and interior designer and I work with clients online. But let's dive into this video. Tip number 1. Start with small and easy care plants. I have for you a list of easy plants what you can start, which are great for any beginner. So let's do it. Pothos. Devil's ivy. It's very easy to live with because it thrives in low light. It is very forgiving if you forget to water it. Just water it when it's really dry, and basically it can handle a little neglect. And this plant is brilliant if you love hanging basket with the plants going down. So that's why it's my favorite one. Snake plant. Again, it's kind of indestructible, and this plant improves air quality. And again, it tolerates low light. You don't need to frequently watering it. It is forgiving. And actually, it's great for bedrooms. ZZ plant. I haven't got this one at home, but again, it seems to be happy with low light. You don't need to water it very regularly. So I love these forgiving plants. The best about this, if you have pets, this plant is safe for them. So it's great if you have any pets at home. Peace lily, again one of my favorites. It loves lower light, and again you just be careful with watering, so only when it's dry. It's forgiving plant, and I think it's very elegant plant. So if you like this kind of plants for modern interior, I think peace lily will look there great. Spider plant, again hard to kill. It produces these baby plants, so very easy to propagate. It loves bright area and it likes water, so water weekly. And again, another plant which is lovely in hanging baskets. Parlor palm, it is a great plant if you want this kind of exotic tropical vibe, because it will give you this kind of lush. So I would go for this one if you want to create some kind of this feeling. Rubber plant, it's type of ficus, so again one of my favorite one. This rubber type, it has shiny leaves, so it almost looks artificial, but again it's easy to grow, and again it's easy to grow, so perfect plant for beginners. And because it's ficus, it can be small, it can be big, it can really create some kind of atmosphere in the room. I have to mention in this video that just few days ago I found this YouTube channel which calls Our House Plants, and there is a guy and he is explaining brilliantly how to take care of plants. So definitely look at his videos, because I've learned so much. So I'll leave the link below. So let's continue with my video about how to add plants and natural elements to your home. Tip number 2, incorporate natural textures, natural materials. So you can have rattan furniture will beautifully match the plants, because of the color, second because it's natural material, it just works well. You can use youth carpets, again perfect color for the combination with the green, it just looks perfect. Of course, wood, you can have wood side tables. Again, if you want to go for the next level, you can use all these stump side tables. I can give you the link to my blog post where I have some kind of tips for this kind of stump furniture, which it's just lovely. I like it very much. Tip number 3, create a plant focus focal point. What does it mean? It means you can either have some massive plant, again in my case it would be ficus or kind of palm, something would you go to the room and you just see it straight away. Another great focal point is if you have like a green wall. Again, it doesn't need to be exactly just like a moss green wall, it can be shelves with the hanging different types of plants, like the room divider. You can have hanging baskets, you can have wall art with the hanging pot, so you have like plant growing from the wall, which is unusual. So think creatively about these things. Tip number 4, use natural inspired artwork or home decor. Of course, all the paintings with the natural, you can have even the wallpaper with this lush palm colors or anything like this. I would go a little bit more abstract, so it doesn't need to be so obvious, but it depends on your style, it depends on your taste, and it depends on the overall plan for your home. Tip number 5, bring nature to unexpected places. It can be hanging plant in the bathroom, so it will create kind of like spa feeling. It can be herbs pots, like real green herbs in the kitchen. It doesn't work just practically that you have nice fresh herbs, but as well it just looks nice. If you look at the herbs, they have different shades, different sizes, different size of leaves, giving you completely new vibe for your home. You can have like just small succulents on the bookshelf, just as a little kind of little plant treat. Okay, it doesn't work like this. Don't be stuck with the old thinking about plants. They really can be used almost anywhere, and I believe plants will always make you happier, and they will be grateful when you take care of them. Plus, they say you will live longer if you have plants around you and you will take care of them. So it's win-win for everyone. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I will see you at the next one.